everyone, this is Amanpreet from Guru Nanak Dev University and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. So the purpose of today's video is basically to get to know about what are unnatural offences. So let's start with the topic. So we can see that section 377 deals with unnatural offences. Whoever voluntarily has carnal intercourse against the order of nature with any man, women or animal shall be punished with imprisonment for life or with imprisonment of either description, which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. So what are the explanation regarding it? So we can say that penetration is sufficient to constitute the carnal intercourse necessary to the offence described in this section. It shall also be punished with imprisonment for life. Section 377 of the British Colonial Penal Code criminalized all sexual acts against the order of nature. The law was used to prosecute people engaging in oral and anal sex along with homosexual activity. So homosexual is very important in this case, as this is a main issue of under section 377 of the IPC. So other than that, we can say that it is an act that criminalizes homosexuality and was introduced in the era of 1861 during the British rule of India, and it was referred to unnatural offences and says whoever voluntarily has carnal intercourse against the order of nature with any man, women or animal shall be punished with imprisonment for life. So here the order of nature is very important, as the major aspect of this is about order of nature only. So however, in a historic verdict, the Supreme Court of India on September 6, 2018 decriminalizes the section 377 of the IPC, and along with it they allowed gay sex among consenting adults in private. So we can say that the Supreme Court basically ruled that the consensual adult gay sex is not a crime, saying that it is we can say sexual orientation is natural and people have no control over it. So this colonial era was first challenged by NGO Nas Foundation and AIDS Bhedbhav Virod Andolan in the Delhi High Court in 2001. However, the petitions were dismissed in the court because of the conservative nature and because of the strict interpretation of the law. So this is a step which is of much importance, as a 5-judge bench comprising Chief Justice Deepak Mishra, Justices R.F. Nariman, Khanwilkar or Chandrachud and Indu Malhotra is dealing with a host of petitions which have said that section 377 violated a host of rights of LGBTs, including the right to lead a dignified life also, and also the other consequential rights such as privacy. So we can say that the court has already clarified that it hopes the community would be able to enjoy all other consequential rights available to a citizen, such as the right to cohabit or a right to have other rights also. So once the offence excludes all consensual adult sexual behavior, the court has however drawn a line at debating the broader civil rights of the community, such as marriage, adoption, maintenance, inheritance, etc. These are the rights which they talked upon. So the CGI also refused to examine the implications of section 377 on the community's right to conscience under Article 25. There are basically no pros and there are basically, we can say, there are more cons of this. We can't see any pros till now. It is because of the conservative societies, conservative thinking of the society, that section 377 was implemented in India. So it is against the freedom of the people also. It is completely biological and not a choice. In fact, people of the LGBTQ community are born with it. So it is to be noted the fact that non-consequential gay sex and rest of the listed acts mentioned in the section continue to be treated as a crime due to the conservative nature of the Indian society and due to not having any valid interpretation or satisfactory interpretation of that. So Indian society is by far conservative, and even consensual heterosex, even though legally protected, is still frowned upon when the partners are from outside the wedlock. So the homosexual partners, while protected from prosecution, may still have to face a social frown for quite some more time. So what is the conclusion of this? So we can say that the court has decriminalized section 377 of Indian Penal Code, which means that it shall be considered as an offence. It shall not be considered as an offence anymore. It was considered to be a section which has no pros and only cons. Moreover, it was an element affecting the mental health of the society. It was realized that it was a result of conservative thoughts of the society only. So we are done with this topic now. If you like this video, put a thumbs up on this video, and if you have any query regarding this, then mention it in the comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel LEXCLIQ. And also, this does not solicit any promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India. It is for educational purpose only. Thank you.